Howdy everyone, this is Graham Pine with Uptown 101 and Living Lux in Houston. And man, we're about to walk into the Allen floor plan. This is the Allen floor plan. This is at the Aspire Post Oak. Hey, we have filmed some of these floor plans before, but now we're doing a refresh because we have a better camera. And I think the furniture and things like that are now all in place in all of these units. So let's take a look. And man, this is just gorgeous. We've walked in. Just right off, we're in this gorgeous kitchen that is stunning. Look at all these white cabinets. That fridge is amazing with a very, very nice ice maker with that wine fridge. And just look at all these really delicate brown colored cabinets. It's gorgeous. And then let's look at the white style countertops that are here too. And then just everything about this is modern, it's clean, it's gorgeous. You're gonna love it. You're absolutely gonna love it. When we continue on in here, the dream of the perfect Houston high-rise is alive, and it doesn't end because you've also got a lot of space here. You can have people over. It's not gonna feel cramped, it's gonna feel great. You're gonna have a lot of space to host folks, and they're gonna love their experience here. You can have a setup similar to this, and then look at those floor-to-ceiling windows. You do have a balcony, and you can get out on that balcony anytime, and this is what it looks like. So you've got some spectacular views, and you can enjoy them anytime on the balcony. This has 2 chairs, and there's actually some more space down there, so you could even have maybe 3 chairs in here. So great views out there. Okay, we're gonna go part 2, and we're gonna go into the bedroom over here and see what those look like. I think you're gonna love them.